Right everybody, we meet again. It seems this morning when I was out trying to fly my DJI Mavic Air 2 and getting absolutely soaked, hence the state of my hair. There is a new update yet again for the DJI Fly app version 1.3.0. This looks to be build 928, and as you can see on screen, it is incredibly vague what the issues actually are solved with this update, if any at all. Just says bug fixes, which is generally as generic as you could possibly get, really. So just a short video. Now thankfully for me, it just shows that that app auto update is actually still in operation. I'd loaded up the app to go fly and it came up automatically to tell me that I had an update, so hopefully it should do the same with you as well. If not, I'll pop a little link in the video description below where you can go and have a look yourself if you do want to get it slightly earlier and just install that manually. Anyway, I just wanted to let you know that I am on top of it and we do have this new update, but it doesn't really do anything, and I apologize, I'm going to have to say this again. App updates don't affect flight performance, so don't worry about it. If you haven't seen my video already, there is a new firmware update for the Mini 2. Something like that does affect flight performance. You can see that little review video again with a card above my head now. So thank you very much for watching. Again, appreciate the subscription if you haven't already. Hopefully you find these useful, and see you again soon.